Hey there, April, my mom, Aiko, yes, next year.
Hi.
Today we're going to do a Tai Chi-inspired workout, which means we're going to move slowly, connect our breath to our movement, and focus on balance, calm, and confidence in our everyday walking.
Sounds good.
Now, you can do this workout seated or standing. It's beginner friendly, and if you enjoy it, we do plan on doing a more advanced workout that includes traditional Tai Chi standing moves.
That sounds good. Yeah.
All right, how's that all sound?
That's good. I like the word beginners. That's good.
All right, so remember to go at your own pace and be near a wall or a countertop for some of the standing moves if you need it. All right, we'll take a pause here and get started. Come on, want to have a seat?
Sure. Thank you.
All right, let's warm it up, everybody, before we get into our gentle Tai Chi session. Just march it out gently. We need to get
Gently?
That's right. Get the circulation going. All right, breathe. Okay, very nice. And you can stop the feet here, and let's just do 3 rounds of breathing. Okay, so inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth. And 2 more. Inhale and exhale. And inhale and exhale. Okay, and now let's do some open close with our arms. Nice. Just breathe naturally here.
Give yourself a hug.
That's right. That's right. You deserve it. Everybody deserves a hug. And breathe. Very nice. Okay? And just give me some gentle toe taps. We're really going to be moving our legs. You know, Tai Chi is all about strengthening, really focus core and legs big time, but the arms are involved too. So it's good to get everything going.
Yep.
Okay?
That's for sure.
All right. And now let's move into some gentle knee lifts here. Just gentle. Lift the knees up and down. Good. Nice work. Okay. Excellent work. And breathe. Nice work. Okay, and then stop the feet. Let's do some point and flex with the ankles here because we will be doing some footwork. Okay, and circles in one direction. And if you need to hold on to the wall, chair or mom, that's fine too.
I'm free.
Okay, and reverse this direction. Good. Very nice. And down. And let's do the other side. So point and flex, point and flex, point and flex. Good. Circles with the ankle. Just like your toes, making a big circle. Breathe.
I don't hear your knees, your ankles crack anymore. What happened? Your ankles used to crack.
Oh yeah? Well, it must be all the exercising that we're doing. So must be working, right? That's a good thing. All right, very nice, everybody. Let's give me some up and down. Inhale and exhale. And inhale and exhale. And one more. Inhale and exhale and down. Very nice. We'll take a pause here and get started with our Tai Chi-inspired workout. All right, so our first move is just a gentle weight shift. So I want your feet hip distance apart, okay? And you can, if you're on your chair, you can be sitting forward a little bit. And I just want you to shift side to side. I want you to feel your whole body shift from one side to the other side. Okay, so it's not a waist move, it's an entire body move. So you should really feel the weight go into each side.
Right.
Okay? Very good. And now when we have our weight on that side, we call that full, and the other side is empty. And so keep going like this at your own pace, everybody. Okay? Just really kind of feel that. You can do anything with your arms here. Nice and gentle.
Feels good.
Nice and gentle. And this is actually great for balance, everybody. Improve your balance. Gentle. And you ain't, oh there, see my ankle crack there? You can even start to lift your heel off the ground as you're moving, as you get more comfortable. We've got 1 more minute here. Okay? So you really start to feel the weight go into one leg, and the other one can get really light, right? So look here, see, so I'm shifting over and that leg up in the, can actually go up in the air. And we call that one up in the air like an empty foot.
Nice and easy.
You see?
Yeah.
Nice and easy. Breathe it out. Really get into that groove. Whatever your pace is. But we're just going side to side. Breathe.
Side to side.
That's right. Breathe. Nice work, everybody. Breathe. Just a few more seconds here. And again, that heel can come up off the ground if you like. Breathe it out. And very nice. Okay, now our next move is a heel toe walk, right? So we're going heel, toe, and we're going to shift forward, shift back, and bring our foot back. So it's heel, toe, shift forward, shift back, and there you go. Heel, toe, forward, and back. Good. Heel, toe, forward, and back. Yeah, if you want to put the arms in, you can do that. Forward and back. Really slow, everybody. Don't go fast. Breathe it out. In that heel. Breathe. Nice and gentle, slow. You don't have to speed it up here. Tai Chi is meant to be done very slowly, with intention. Very nice. Okay, so I'm actually going to walk it around the room here. Okay? I'm going to walk it around the room here. And you can do that if you like. Heel, toe. Heel, toe. Okay? I'm going to bring it back. There you go. Keep it going, Mom. You're looking good. Heel, toe. And you can come back here. Heel, toe.
I get to get a Tai Chi chair.
Heel, toe. Breathe. Nice and slow. All about moving with intention. And breathe. Beautiful. So again, you can walk around your room, or you can just do it in place as we work. Okay, very nice. Breathe it out, everybody. All right. Now, next move, Mom. You're in a chair. You're just going to step it out, okay, and bring it in. You're going to step it out, bring it in, okay. But if you're standing with me, you're stepping it out and bringing that foot in, stepping it out, bringing the foot in, okay. Step it and bring. Yes, and nice. Really slow. Nice and slow. And breathe. You can do anything with your arms for this one. Really gentle. All about control. Breathe. Very nice, everybody. Keep it going. And good job. All right. So our last, let's see, not our last move, is actually a real Tai Chi move. And it's called the bow step. So what we're going to do is we're going to go heel, toe, and press with the same arm. So same arm, same leg, and bring it in. Heel, toe, press, and bring it in. Okay? So heel, toe, press, and in. And you're standing tall as you move. Okay, nice and slow. Heel, toe, press, and in. Heel, toe, press, and in. Very nice. Heel, toe, press, and in. Heel, toe, press, and in. Keep it going. Nice work. How are you doing there, Mom? Okay, she didn't hear me. You hear me, Mom? I said, how are you doing there? You good?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm concentrating.
I know. That's very good, everybody. Heel, toe, press. And back.
It's hard to talk when you're doing Tai Chi. You know?
Well, you know what? You're absolutely right. And thank you for pointing that out, because it does require.
Everything is so quiet and calm.
And we're requires some thought to do the movement
Yeah.
with intention. So you're absolutely right. It's nice to do it in silence. And breathe. Nice work. And very nice, everybody. Okay, so our final move is we're going to do some backward walking.
Okay.
Okay, so if you're in a chair, I just want you to touch it back here. Okay, just, yeah, touch it back. But if you're with me here, what we're going to do is we're going to go toe, heel, toe, heel. And this is where the wall comes into play if you need it. Okay, so we go toe and heel, toe and heel, toe and heel. Okay, we're going to go back the other way. Toe, heel, toe and heel. And your steps can be very small. They don't have to be large. Okay, so they can go very small. It's all about control. Okay, and you can do anything with your arms that you want. Okay, it's more of really focusing on the legs here. Okay, so you can actually have your arms up if you want. And very, very nice. How you doing there? Good, good work. All right, so let's cool it down now. So nice work on this Tai Chi-inspired workout. We're just sort of getting into it, really understanding, the weight shifting and the breathing, and to connect our breath to our movement. Okay. All right. So let's cool it down. Give me that open close. Open close. Nice work. Okay. Good job. All right. Good work. And give me a little stretch with the legs. So just put the heel out. Okay. You can reach. Very nice. And come up gently. Good work. And there you go, the other side. Excellent work. And come up. And just give me a gentle reach to the side. And in. Gentle reach to the side. And in. Good. And let's close it out with 3 inhale and exhales. Inhale up. And exhale out. Inhale up. And exhale out. And one more. Inhale up. And exhale out. Good job. Beautiful work today. Tai Chi-inspired movements like this help improve your balance, strengthen your legs, and reduce stress. Now, in our next episode, we're going to focus more on strength and balance, and hope that you'll join us for that. So, thank you so much for joining us for this session. And if you like this video, please give it a like. Let us know what you thought, and subscribe to our channel. It's always a joy to help you get stronger. So we look forward to seeing you real soon. And in the meantime, keep moving and
Stay strong.
see you soon.
See you soon.